seatbelts.
Hello, everybody. It's me.
Want me to pause it, Lonnie, so you can come over here look?
When you hear this sound, it's time to turn the page.
No, don't put your hand. You're gonna knock out your milk down. There you
Can
go.
we go fast?
Asked the boy.
Can't we blast to the zoo?
It won't take long, said his mom. Sit still, you
You
bouncy
bouncy
kangaroo.
kangaroo.
Mom, if we were kangaroos, would I have to wear a seatbelt when you took me for a hopping ride?
No, a mama kangaroo knows her Joey won't go flopping. Her little one is safely tucked inside.
Mom, if we were penguins, would we have to use this stroller in the places penguins go?
You mean as we zip on our slippery trips through Antarctic ice and snow? No, a penguin's body's nice for sporting and cavorting and for sliding on the ice.
Mom, if we were hippos, would you make me take your hand if I wanted to get cool and started running toward the pool?
You want to wear this tomorrow, Lonnie?
A mama hippo has legs, not arms, but she can
You wanna wear
hiss when
this
she's
tomorrow?
alarmed.
Or is it too hot?
When she wants to budge her calf, she will budge his bottom half. If anything dangerous wanders his way, she carries and ferries him safely away. Okay, Bush baby, this next place is dark. I don't want to lose you, so climb into this path.
Mom, do I have to? I'm big enough to walk. Do real bush babies need to ride piggyback?
A bush baby rides on mama's back at night, soaring, gliding, sliding, leaping, while the thorn tree world is sleeping, catching insects in mid-flight. His fingers cling tightly to his mother's hair because she bumps when she jumps and goes swooshing through the air.
Mom, if I was that monkey clowning around, would you make me wear a helmet in case I tumbled down?